Imagine a world where you can monitor your home, answer your door, and even keep tabs on your neighborhood, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Welcome to the world of Ring, a product set designed to make your life easier and safer. This suite of products, which includes video doorbells, security cameras, and alarm systems, offers an all-in-one solution for your home security needs. Now, let's delve into what makes Ring a popular choice among homeowners. A key selling point is its seamless integration with smart home systems. Whether you're an Alexa enthusiast or a Google Home guru, Ring products fit right into your smart home ecosystem. Furthermore, Ring's user-friendly app allows you to monitor your home from anywhere, giving you peace of mind no matter where you are. Additionally, Ring's products come with features such as two-way communication, night vision, and motion-activated alerts, ensuring that you're always in the know about what's happening around your home. And with the Neighborhoods feature, you can share and receive real-time crime and safety alerts from your neighbors, fostering a sense of community and collective security. However, no product is without its downsides, and Ring is no exception. One of the main concerns raised by users is the cost. While the initial purchase price of Ring devices is competitive, the monthly subscription fees for additional features can add up. Without a subscription, your access to recorded video is limited, which could be a deal breaker for some. Privacy is another concern. While Ring has taken steps to improve its privacy practices, the fact that video footage can be shared with law enforcement agencies without a warrant is a point of contention for many. Lastly, the performance of Ring's products can sometimes be inconsistent. From lagging video feeds to delayed notifications, these technical glitches can undermine the effectiveness of the system. In summary, Ring offers a comprehensive suite of home security products that are easy to use and integrate well with smart home systems. The advanced features such as two-way communication, night vision, and the Neighborhoods feature enhance the user experience and provide a sense of security. However, the cost of subscriptions, privacy concerns, and occasional technical issues are factors to consider before investing in this product set. Despite these drawbacks, Ring continues to be a leading player in the home security market, offering innovative solutions designed to make our homes safer and our lives easier. Remember, the best product for you is one that suits your needs and fits your budget. So weigh the pros and cons carefully before making your decision. After all, when it comes to home security, peace of mind is priceless.